Hello everyone. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to talk about SQL for data science week 2 assignments, and we are going to start with the practice quiz first. So the first question is, what is the function of a primary key? So uh, as you know already, primary key uniquely identifies each row of a table. So the primary key uniquely that is the correct answer. Second is, data manipulation language statement like insert, select, update, and delete are used to read and modify data. So that is completely true. We have DML language, DDL, and DCL, and in DML we have insert, select, update, and delete, which used to read and modify data. Third question is like data definition language, that is DDL, are used to define, change, or delete databases objects such as tables. Which of the following statement are all DDL statements? So we have create, alter, and drop. These three in the DDL statement, which we use. Create is used for creating a database or a table. Alter is to modify something if it is required. Drop is when we want to delete that schema, particularly from a DB, or we want to delete a DB itself. Fourth one is, which of the following queries will change the data type of an existing column to varchar data type? So we have alter table, all author, alter column, phone, set data type varchar 20. So what we are doing at first is we are taking the table and we are altering it. In the table we are altering a particular column that is named as phone, and we are setting the data type as varchar 20. So whatever the data type, existing data type is, it will be updated to varchar 20. The five basic SQL commands are create, select, insert, update, and delete. Create is something that we use for creating a schema. Select when we want something as an output from a query. Insert is when we want to insert some data into our tables. Or update is like when we want to update something, and delete is with respect to deleting something from a table. So these were the practice assessment, and now we are going to proceed with database module 2 questions. So the first question is like, which of the following statement about a database is correct? So a database is logically coherent collection of data with some inherent meaning. So a database is like it is a collection of data, and we create some database to have a repository of something like if you want to have a student database, we will have several tables in it, like class wise tables, subject wise marks, and grades and all, address books. These all things that we can have as a collection of tables in a particular database. Second, attribute of an entity become columns in a table. So in SQL we have key and attributes. So attributes are column and key are the values of it. Third is, create table statement is a data definition language, as we have seen in the previous test in the practice quiz. It is a DDL statement. Fourth one is, which command is used for removing a table and its data from the database? So we have like drop that can completely delete the schema of the table. We will not have the column names or the table name exist in the database anymore. And same what we have truncate. What truncate does is it keeps the schema in the table, but it remove all the data from the table. Same way delete works also without any condition. If we are using delete, it will delete all the data from the table, but the schema will be there. Schema is something when you are like you are giving create table, table name, column 1 data type, column 2 data type, column 3 data type, primary key, and all so on. So that is the schema of a table. Fifth one is, what would be the correct syntax to add a column ID that contains 7 character alphanumeric value to a database table employees using MySQL? So in MySQL what we have to do, we have to alter table employees. So we are altering the table employees, add ID character 7. So we are adding one ID column here with a size as 7. So these are the basic database concepts, and I think you should have some hands-on experience in SQL to have a better understanding. Until unless you are having hands-on experience, it will be tough. SQL will look tough, and I would suggest to have some practice questions. You can try out some websites which provides 50 days challenge that will help you improve in your SQL skills. So I think yeah, that will be all for this video, and I'll be uploading many videos like this. So please do like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone.